Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you'd like to receive trading signals from me, for myself, or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website at www.dailymarketmovements.com. What I'm going to do is leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you are interested in joining our amazing team, then all you have to do is simply scroll down now, click on the link that I've left for you in the description of this video, which will then take you to our website itself, and then that's where you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership. So it really is great value for money. So in front of me is the S&P 500 futures chart, and as you can see, we're now trading at all-time highs. The previous all-time high was 3,386, and we're currently at just underneath 3,390. So this is an all-time high, and this also means that we have just come out of the shortest bear market in history, which was roughly around 3 months long. But now that we've broken back above all-time highs, by the definition, it means that we have now entered into a new bull market. Can you believe it? We're in a lockdown, we're in a pandemic, and we've now just entered a new bull market. It doesn't really make sense, but it doesn't have to. The stock market is always right, and that's that. But the catalyst for this is of course the Fed. The Fed has been pumping so much money, trillions of dollars into the stock market, and this money has to go somewhere, and it's stocks which belong to the S&P, which belong to the Nasdaq 100, and of course which belong to the Dow Jones 30. Once this lockdown is over and done with, and these companies start to return to the profits that they were making prior to the pandemic, this will be great. So prices would have returned to that 3,400 level, but on top of that, they've just been injected with all this cash. So picture it as steroids. These companies have just been injected with steroids, and once they're back to their normal selves, they'll have their health back, but at the same time, they would have been injected with these steroids on top. So that is why we are going to hit all-time highs. I know that a lot of my YouTube viewers find it very confusing on how this is possible. To be honest with you, I don't think many traders did think that we would have a V-shaped recovery as fast as we did. But, like I said, the market price is always right. You cannot argue with it. And I still believe that we will go higher. My shorter-term target is 3,500. And my longer-term target for the end of the year is 3,600. Very bullish that we have now trading in all-time highs. One thing that does concern me about the S&P 500 is that we are now considered in the short run to be overextended, because on the RSI we're currently at 70. So a pullback may be on its way. I do welcome it. It'd be a great opportunity to maybe pick up some value if we can make contact with the 50-day EMA again, which is at around 3,256. This would be a great area to put some money to work. And then from here, you can trade back towards the all-time high, which is 3,400, or even go for my targets, which is 3,500 and 3,600. I really like the S&P 500. I think that very soon a vaccine will be found and largely distributed, and therefore big companies like the airlines, the financials, so the banks and all these hospitality stocks will have a surge in their business, and therefore the S&P 500 should perform very well. I'm a buyer on the dip, so I have no interest in selling. I like the S&P 500.